right, everyone, this is the Superman punch. The secret to this move is to fake the kick and then turn over, hit the cross. All right, so one more time we're gonna demonstrate it. We're gonna fake the kick, we're gonna turn that hip over and turn everything into that cross. One more time here, 1, 2. Fake the kick, turn the hips over, turn into that punch.
So guys, in that situation, the Superman punch, the same Jesus say. So it's very important. You using the fake movement. The fake movement you're using your leg and use your hands, but I prefer use my hands first. In that situation, I punch and again, I using the jab and punch. Okay, this is the same for cross and hook, but the people say give the name for Superman punch because you jump. And have the different situation. You can switch your leg and punch. You have the different one using this and punch. So that's the name, the punch, Superman punch. But it's the jab and cross. It's natural jab and cross, but using more power when you jump.
Thanks, guys. That was the Superman punch.
Thank you for watching and continue follow me in spiderkick.com.